This is how to lift up a KLR motorcycle without a motorcycle jack using jack stands and a regular jack. First, we're going to place one jack stand on the side and put the board over it like that. Next, we put the jack on the other side with a little bit extra room to put the other jack stand in once we get up to the right height. Make sure the jack's tight. And you need to support the bike at the same time that you're doing this. Because it's unstable while you're doing this, you have to support the bike with one hand a little bit while you start to jack it up. And once you get it up enough to where it's not going to tip, it's just a matter of jacking it up to the point where you can slide this other jack stand underneath. But not so much that you're going to tip it the other way. Just enough. Slide it down there. And there you have it. Now you can release the jack. Pull it out. And you have your front wheel up. You can do the opposite with your back wheel. And now you can work on it. And then to remove it, it's very simple. You just do the reverse here. When you remove it, you also want to make sure that you're supporting the bike so it won't tip over with one hand, and then with the other hand you can release the jack. And it's just this simple.